Yes, it's been raining non-stop 48 hours. Now, in fact, it started raining on election day. That started off as quite a hot and humid day, but it's been pouring, in fact, ever since then. As you mentioned, a record rain for the month of May in 24 hours. That's happened. And this, what my camera person is now showing you, is boats being deployed at least half a dozen locations in Chennai. The NDRF has brought in about 25 boats. This is being done only as an emergency measure. As of now, no rescue work is happening. We are here, in fact, in Koturpuram area, which was one of the worst affected during the Chennai floods in December. And in those houses that you see behind, all those, in fact, first floor, second floor, there was water. Why it is different from December is because, one, this is May rain, and two, the Chembarambakam reservoir that had overflown and from which huge amounts of water were released, that Chembarambakam reservoir is less than 50% full now, and therefore there is no danger of flooding anywhere in Chennai. That's what the Met Department as well as the corporation officials are telling us. But no one wants to take any chances. In fact, that's the reason why the Chennai Corporation is in fact made all preparations. Last time round, they realized that they were not able to get in touch with people. The communication was a problem. All those issues they want to sort out. They have stationed rescue teams in all areas that they consider vulnerable. Already several storm drawn areas were in fact cleared, but still there are several areas still that are waterlogged, and we visited one such area, in fact, which is just a short distance from here, Chitra Nagar, where the colonies are still waterlogged. It's been raining virtually non-stop almost from election day onwards in low-lying areas like this one. In fact, people have left their homes and gone because these were areas that had come under water. இங்க குடிக்கிற தண்ணி கூட உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிறது இல்லையா?
இங்க தான் கிடைக்கிறதே இல்லங்க. ரொம்ப தூரத்துல இருந்து நாங்க தூக்கிட்டு வரோம்.
She doesn't have drinking water, even though there is so much of water, not enough to drink. क्या आपको डर लग रहा था जब ये बारिश होने लगा? पिछले 2 दिन से तो काफी बारिश हो रहा है.
हाँ, 3 दिन से हो रहा है. बहुत डर लग रहा है, फिर पानी आ जाएंगे क्या, हम लोग क्या होएंगे करके.
लेकिन धूप से भी काफी थोड़ा रिलीफ मिला, लेकिन हाँ, लेकिन डर भी था.
बहुत धूप मरता, आधे लोग मर गए करके बोला था. अच्छा, बारिश थोड़ा तो पड़ा तो 1-2 दिन के लिए पड़ा तो अच्छा रहेगा, है ना. ऐसा पर के बहुत ये होता है,
बहुत ज्यादा पानी पड़ रहा है और फिर से पानी पूरा भर गया, आपके घरों में भी भर गया.
हाँ, अंदर से आ गया पानी. ये पानी पूरा अंदर आ रहा है ना रूम पे.
तो घरों में पानी आ रहा है तो काफी मुश्किल हो रहा है यहाँ के लोगों को. देयर इज क्वाइट अ बिट ऑफ डिफिकल्टी. आप क्या फ्लड रिलीफ के लिए पैसे वगैरह मिले? रोड वगैरह बनाने की बात चल रही थी, ड्रेनेज बनाने की बात चल रही थी, क्या
कुछ नहीं हुआ मैडम? कुछ भी किया नहीं. कुछ भी किया नहीं अभी तक.
तो आपके यहाँ का हालत वैसा ही है जैसे दिसंबर
जैसे पहला था वैसे है. अभी कुछ नहीं किया, कोई भी कुछ नहीं किया.
लोगों ने कहा कि आपको दूसरा घर दिया जाएगा, दूसरे इलाकों में दिया जाएगा, और फिर 5,000 रुपए की भी बात हो रही थी कि आपको फ्लड रिलीफ दिया जाएगा.
वो तो अभी तक कुछ मिला नहीं है. मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा वो भी मालूम नहीं है मैडम.
So the flood relief also something that not everyone has got in these areas. You can see localities like this, in fact, had become completely full with water. Some of that water has been drained out. Boats have also been brought in for relief for people. NDRF has moved as much as 24 to 25 boats in case there is an emergency that develops, because we are expecting rains in Chennai even in the next 48 hours. In Chennai, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.